if you want to keep your garden looking nice and green, well then you've got to keep it well watered. And the good news is there's some really simple ways to do that. Now, starting off with these two, these simply just spike in the ground, you connect your hose up. We've got an impact one here that will do larger areas, while this one here is a Vari-Arc sprinkler, which is great for smaller areas and it gives you that finer control. Now moving along here, we've got the Oscillator. Now this is great if you've got a big lawn area, you just plug this in and it'll just oscillate from side to side. The good news with this, you can control the arc as well, so you're not getting too much overspray. Now we move to click and go, and this is a great system. Now with the bases themselves, we've got two options here. We've got the plastic one here, which is nice and lightweight, and we've got this metal one here, which is a little bit heavier, which won't tip over as easy, and it's a little bit more durable. And look, the great thing is there's a multitude of heads to choose from, and with both these bases, you can daisy chain them together as well. Now this is the Raintech head, which is customizable in both length and width to suit most garden size requirements. Now the next one along is the square wave head, and it has a square shaped pattern to it, which is perfect for more of your contemporary style gardens that tend to have more of an angular shape to some of their lawns. Now this is the impact head, and this is great if you've got a large garden and you want to be able to get to every corner of it. Now the one thing that you might need with this is high pressure to run it. Moving along, now this one here is the roto frame head. Now it has a really large droplet size. It's fantastic for small to medium gardens that have low water pressure, especially if you've got a windy site. This one here is the three-armed head. It is good for small to medium gardens because it'll give you a good, even, thorough coverage. Now this one here is the bobbler head, and it's great for medium to large gardens, especially if you've got low water pressure. Okay, so this one here is the metal three-arm head, and it does pretty much the same job as the other three-arm head, although this one is suitable best for low water pressure. And if you're looking for something a little bit more permanent, then you could always go for a pop-up system as well. Now, there's plenty of different pop-up options to suit different size gardens and applications, but just speak to your local landscaper and they'll make sure you get the right fit. So as you can see, folks, there are plenty of options here to keep your garden looking nice and green.